Hey guys, sorry. There's
Sorry about that.
there's another person here.
Channel down below.
There's another person
mine
here.
in the description.
It's
If I'm good at editing.
wait, what's it called? What's it called? What's your thing called? What's your thing called? What's your thing called?
What's wrong with you?
What's
Okay,
your
guys,
thing called?
fill this.
What's your thing called? What's your thing called?
Did y'all feel that?
What's your thing called? What's it
So
called?
fluffy.
What's your thing called? I'm asking you.
I forgot.
She forgot it. Why is there a crushed Orby in here? There was a crushed Orby.
What the heck?
There was a crushed.
Oh, we do have Orbeez here, so.
But it's a clear Orby. We have yellow Orbeez. This is a clear Orby. Look, it's a clear Orby.
What is it?
Okay,
Yes, the
whatever.
Orbeez.
Just check out another person's description. Just check out anybody except if
Okay,
they swears go away.
So
So I'm gonna show you guys some slime.
And I'm gonna be going.
Oh, slime. Yes. So we made this. Next time that we make some slime, I'm sorry, but this is literally my first video here, like at this house. But I'm gonna be showing you guys some slimes that I made.
It's very exciting to
Ready?
do my
This is
first
the
video
fluffy.
ever. Please like this video. It's okay if y'all don't like it, but please give some likes out, and I will be making some more. I might make it one more today. It depends
Oh god, oh no.
on.
I'm definitely gonna make another video today. So it's gonna be all about this. She wants to watch her own video that she just now made. I'm getting hot stop. I didn't ruin her video. No, not watching. Don't get mad at me. Don't get mad at me. So this is the fluffy slime. I wish you guys could feel this. Oh no, no. Look at this. You wanna have some? Take it. And then we have putty. We were trying to make regular slime. What happened? Everything. Look how bad. This thing was a fail. I gotta go get that Pete now. I said Pete. I mean peace. In the next video, I'm gonna ask Carly if she if she wants to play hide and seek. In the next video, we may. Hey, don't put any thumbs down because we don't do hide and seek, but we may do hide and seek. Don't get mad at me. Challenges me out. Okay, so let's get ready. I'm so excited. I mean, I've literally never made a video here. I'm so happy. Fail. If you guys have ever heard about Guava juice, I'm gonna put him in the comments below. You guys need to watch him. I mean, he's the best YouTuber ever. And so is Ice Cupcake. All those guys. All of them. Except for the swear. If they swear, do not watch them. The more that you watch people swearing, the more that you're gonna learn how to do it. And I don't want nobody being bad or saying bad things, because that makes me feel sad. I don't want to feel sad. I don't want to feel scared, because there's people at my school that are so mean, and they always say cuss words or swears, and I really don't want you guys to say them. So please don't say them. Even if you're starting, please quit, or else you owe me a quarter. And just give it an email. I really want fan mail, guys. If you give me fan mail, the more that this slime is happier. The more that I'll show this slime. The more that I'll make slime. The more if you guys send me fan mail, I will put all that fan mail on camera. I will wait. I will literally wait. Oh. In the next video, if we do not do tag, I will do slime. Like I have like this goo, and I wanna show you guys. So, yeah. Flarp is terrible. It always gets messy. Flarp, can you please add something into it to where it can't latch onto anything gross? Because every time that I get on, the first day I wake up, whenever I get it, I fall asleep, and then I wake up, it's covered in hair and stuff. Flarp isn't that terrible. Sorry, guys. Don't give me a dislike for that. It's not terrible. It's just the way that they make it. It kind of messes up. If you want, it's just My Little Pony. So it doesn't matter that much. Not My Little Pony, My Little Pony. So whatever. This is my furry slime. Love it. Live it, love it, like it. And this is supposed to be regular slime, but it's just glitter. Well, it's supposed to be glitter slime. Can you see the glitter? Focus. Focus. Is it focusing? It just won't focus, guys. Sorry. Oh well. Well. Thanks for watching. I'm gonna go ask my sister if she's. I'm gonna go ask my sister if she is down with the video. She may be making one. I'm not sure. But if she's making a video, I won't bother her. I may just get into her video and just mess up all her stuff. And so, let's say goodbye. Have fun with puppies. Have some parties! Da-da-da-da-da. We're slime. Bye, guys. Bye-bye. Peace out. Peace.